here whipping up some lunch. I'm getting ready to show you something. Ooh, it's hot already. Buttermilk.
No.
I'm getting ready to make some hoe cakes. And because I don't need all the buttermilk right now, I also use it for something else, but I don't need it. And I don't want it to go bad. So what I do is freeze my buttermilk. So what I did was just measure out according to the portion that that I use, which is usually a cup, and put them into quart size freezer bags, and then it's going into this gallon size bag. You can also freeze it in an ice cube tray, and because I have basically it's the whole thing, I don't have the room to put it in an ice cube tray right now, so I'm going to do it this way, and this way it'll thaw out and it's already measured out according to the portion size that I need. So hopefully this little tip helps you in some way. But yeah, I freeze a lot of things that I don't know you probably wouldn't think about like this, because it works. So, and then buttermilk is also one of the things that is most often forgotten. It's always the first thing in my head, but I always seem to forget it. And then when I need it, it's like, oh my gosh, I'm struggling. So I always have my backup if I forget to pick some up. So let me get to these hoe cakes because this skillet is already hot. I think I just burned myself. Just a little bit. Made me jump. So it's just about ready to flip. So I can do this with the camera. Yep, I got splattered. So it just depends on when you fry hoe cakes. It just depends on how you want them. I know this looks kind of dark. It's dark over here. They're not really that dark. Yeah, it looks dark. And of course, don't fill your skillet too much. It's good if you have a smaller size. That way you can kind of keep it proportioned. Just like cooking pancakes, because they have a tendency to spread. You just want to kind of flip it a couple times. Make sure it's all the way done, and I need to re-oil the skillet after this one. Basically just want to fry it enough to get it done all the way through. Some butter on it. Now, a lot of people eat theirs with syrup or honey or even molasses. I like mine plain or just buttered. That's it. Now I am making, I'm getting ready to do some chicken breast and spinach, but these hoe cakes are not going to make that meal. They're going to be gone. They're just hot, which is why I haven't given them any, but they won't last this time. But I make them so often that, ever so often, so you don't miss out. I will make them with meals. Okay. You can use shortening to do it. Yes. I'm not gonna say must, because some people may not want to, but you can also use vegetable oil or whatever type oil. There's that one. I am not sharing the recipe because I have already shared the recipe. And in fact, if you guys are not following, I created a large family dinner playlist. So all the things the meals that I'm sharing are in that playlist. And a couple of months back, I did a video on whole cakes themselves. So you will find that recipe there. Like I said, I just wanted to show you a little tidbit on the freezing of the buttermilk. And yeah, I'm getting ready to eat. It's lunchtime. I cannot wait for this chicken and spinach.